Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will study physics first year chapter number 4, work and energy, conceptual question answer or short question answer. This video is according to the reduced syllabus 2021 to 2022. So let's start our video. In reduced syllabus 2021, question number 1 is included. Question number 1 is, a bullet is taken to the bottom of a well. Does the bullet possess potential energy? Explain. So the answer is yes. Even if the bullet is at the bottom of the well, it is thousands of kilometers away from the center of mass of the earth. As long as there is some non-zero distance between the two masses, there will always be a potential energy between them. So this is the question number 1. Now moving towards the question number 2. Question number 2 is not included in the reduced syllabus 2021, but I will read it for you. When an arrow is shot from its bow, it has kinetic energy. From where does it get its kinetic energy? So the answer is when a bow is stretched backwards with an arrow in it, bow along with arrow gain elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy stored in the bow and the arrow is equal to the work done to stretch the bow. When an arrow is shot, then its stored elastic potential energy converts into the kinetic energy. So this is the question number 2. Next, question number 3 is also not included in the reduced syllabus 2021, but I will read it out. Does the hydrogen filled balloon possess potential energy? Explain. Yes, a hydrogen filled balloon possesses potential energy. The hydrogen filled balloon is less dense than the air. So when it is released in the air, it moves upward direction against the gravitational force due to the upthrust of the air. So this is the answer of question number 3. Now moving towards the question number 4. Next, question number 4 is not included in the reduced syllabus for 2021. Its question is kinetic energy a vector quantity? No, kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity because it expressed in terms of scalar product. Kinetic energy is a scalar product of mass and velocity. Kinetic energy is given by half mv square. This formula we can write v square is equal to v dot v. From here you can see that as mass of a body is already scalar and v dot v is equal to v square is also scalar, that is why kinetic energy is also a scalar quantity. Now moving towards the question number 5. Question number 5 is also not included in the reduced syllabus. The question is, what happened to kinetic energy of a bullet when penetrate into the target? According to the work energy principle, work is equal to change in kinetic energy. So putting the values, work is equal to kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial. So we put the values, then when the bullet come to the rest, final velocity is 0, so it becomes 0 minus half mvi square, then w is equal to 1 divided by 2 mvi square. The negative sign shows that kinetic energy is lost in three things: doing work to penetrate into the target, and doing work against friction, second loss, and dissipating energy in the form of heat and sound. So these three things are lost in kinetic energy. Now moving towards the question number 6. Question number 6, which is included in the reduced syllabus 2021. Does the tension in the string of swinging pendulum do any work? Explain. So the answer is no, it does not do any work. Reason: the tension in the string does not do any work because it is perpendicular to the curved path. Means This is the path which is pendulum following, and it is making 90-degree angle with it. The swing or the string is making 90-degree angle with each other, so it does not do any work, as work is equal to force dot displacement cos theta. So the theta is here 90-degree, so putting cos theta is equal to 90. Cos 90 is 0, so the whole equation becomes 0. So the work done is 0. Now moving towards the next question. Question number 7 is, a meteor when enters into the Earth's atmosphere burns. What happens to its energy? This question is also not included in the reduced syllabus 2021. Only question number 1, 6 and 10 are included in the reduced syllabus 2021. So the answer of question number 7 is, while it's in the atmosphere, it is called meteor. The kinetic energy of meteor is turned into the heat, meaning it slowed down and produced heat and converted into ash. Its potential energy is continuously turned into the kinetic energy, which is what we generally call falling. Now moving towards the question number 8. Number 8 is, this is also not included in the reduced syllabus. What type of energy is stored in the string of a watch? Compressed spring of a watch stores elastic potential energy in it, which is given by the formula elastic potential energy is equal to half kx square. Elastic potential energy stored in the string is equal to the work done to compress a spring. Now moving towards the question number 9, which is also not included in the reduced syllabus. The question is, a man drop a cup from a certain height which breaks into the pieces. What energy changes are involved? This is important, but this is not included in the 2021 examination. Answer of question number 9 is, following energy changes are involved. First, kinetic energy converts into potential energy, and then potential energy into the sound energy, and sound energy into kinetic energy of scattered into heat energy dissipated against the heat. Next we are having question number 10, which is included in the reduced syllabus. Question number 10 statement is, a man rowing boat upstreams is at rest with respect to the shore. Is he doing work? No. Work is not done as the boat is at rest with respect to shore. The reason is, the boat is at rest with respect to the shore. It covered no displacement, means D is equal to 0. Therefore F dot D, F work done is equal to force into displacement. F is given and D is 0, so we get 0. So this is the answer of question number 10. Now moving towards the question number 11, which is not included in the reduced syllabus 2021, but I will read it. Why energy savers are used instead of normal bulbs? Answer is, energy savers are used instead of normal bulbs due to the following reason. Number 1 is the combustion of energy is far less. Second reason, these bulbs produce light of high power and intensity. And the last reason, these bulbs produce very little amount of heat, while 98% of input is converted into the heat in normal bulbs. So this was the exercise of chapter number 4, conceptual question. Only question number 1, 6 and 10 were included, and remaining all are excluded in the examination of 2021. I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.